We invite you, our valued customers, to visit the 3 days of high-impact business matching with manufacturing enterprises at FBC ASEAN 2024. This is a golden chance to expand your business. If you are looking to find industrial component suppliers, offer your services, machinery and equipment to manufacturing plants, business match with domestic and international FDI enterprises, connect with manufacturers in Vietnam, then you don't want to miss this amazing opportunity. Featuring over 300 booths and more than 10,000 expected visitors. An international event with the highest number of manufacturers in Vietnam. Many buyers seeking to expand their supply chain in Vietnam, such as Panasonic, Tiger, Taisei Holdings, Yamada Corp, Fujifilms, Samsung, and more. Attracting a huge number of Japanese and international visitors. Specialized seminars and cutting-edge demonstrations featuring innovative technology. Register now, for free. FBC ASEAN 2024. Your touchpoint to a brighter future.